Hello and welcome to the next episode of our Femme Fatale Fall series. Today's video is going to be dedicated to Hollywood icon Barbara Stanwyck. I'll be showing you a quick hair tutorial of how you can achieve her hairstyle from the film Double Indemnity. After the hair tutorial, I'll show you a few Phyllis-inspired ensembles. To prep the hair, I used my pillow rollers set overnight. The setting pattern I used is quite simple. All you need is the bang section rolled forward. And for the rest of the hair, you want at least 2 rows of rollers to create those waves. These are the Rockin' Rollers from vintagehairstyling.com. And to see how I apply them, I will link a video here. So I removed all of the curlers except for the bang section. As you can see, there are 2 front-facing rollers that I am saving for last so we can do the bang. For the comb out, I'm just going to apply a tiny bit of my pomade. Brushing out from the bottom. To brush out the curls, I'm using my Denman 7-row styling brush. Of course, you can use any hairbrush that you have on hand. This is my second time attempting this hairstyle, and it turned out a little bit curlier this time than it did when I tested it. So I'm starting from the bottom and brushing through those curls and working my way up. We have had very high humidity here in Florida, so I used a few more rollers this time than last time to achieve a curlier result that would last me a little bit longer. To smooth out the top of the hair, I'm using my Denman finisher brush. Now I'm going to pull back the sides with some duckbill clips so we can work on the bang. In my original hairstyling test, I did not set the bang separately, only I created a bang section off of my already curled and set hair, but I do think this method will work better. The size and length of your bang will depend on how much hair you include in your bang section. And you can apply as much teasing as you like to get the volume. I just prefer to tease very minimally, and instead I'm going to create the shape with my Roll and Go hair tool, securing the hair through the teeth and guiding the hair with my fingers while applying some hairspray to roll it up to the hairline. This may take you a few attempts, but if you are very careful and apply some hairspray, you can secure those end pieces with bobby pins on both sides. You want the pins to go through the center of the little curled roll at the end, and use as many as you need to get the bang in place. You may find this hairstyle is easier to achieve on day 2 dirty hair. To push the bangs down a little bit, I added a duckbill clip, and I'm applying some to the waves on the side to reinforce the shape that I like. After letting the hair set and applying however much hairspray you need, you can remove the clips and apply a final comb through to the finished style. While it turned out a little bit differently than last time, I still think it has that same effect as Barbara Stanwyck's hair in the film. And if you plan on rocking Phyllis's hairstyle, here are some outfits to get you inspired. First up is a 1940s button-up long-sleeve black dress, and I've paired this femme fatale number with my black pumps by Bait Footwear. To bring out the brown in the ostrich feather belt, I have a brown handbag. And if it is chillier when committing a crime, you might want to wear an overcoat. For more sensible attire, Phyllis might wear a 2-piece 1940s skirt suit. And this is a great piece to mix and match. First, I have it with a white button-up blouse that is a reproduction from Heyday Vintage. Another option to pair with a suit is this lovely bishop-sleeved reproduction blouse by Freddy's of Pinewood. It pairs nicely under the blazer and looks so cute styled with a hat, just like Barbara in this photo here. For a more casual ensemble, I have a 1940s purple house dress that zips up in the front. A great option for when you are cleaning up a mess around the house, but also might have to quickly make a getaway with your favorite suit blazer. To top off the look, I added a black beret and a 1940s black handbag. I hope you enjoyed this Barbara Stanwyck hair tutorial and the outfits inspired by Phyllis Diedrichsen.